Hello and welcome to my channel. Cleaning your makeup brushes is very important as it keeps your skin healthy. Today I will show you my makeup brushes cleaning routine using my favorite products and tools from Sigma Beauty. And I want to say a huge thank you to Sigma Beauty for sending me over these cleaning products and tools as well as some makeup brushes. I have been a huge fan of Sigma Beauty for years and I love their products so much. So usually I clean my makeup brushes every 1 to 2 weeks depending on how often I use them, and I also have a huge collection of makeup brushes to avoid using dirty brushes. Foundation brushes are usually very dirty and definitely need good deep cleaning. And I will clean my Sigma F80 airbrush first. And I will start by using one of my most favorite and must-have tool from Sigma, and it is Dry and Shape Spa Device. It is not just my favorite tool for drying and shaping my makeup brushes, but it's also a great tool for cleaning them. I twist top and bottom bases to disconnect them, and my cleaning tool is ready to use. It has different texture areas like wash face, wash eyes, rinse and refine. When I wet my brushes, I always hold my brush pointing down to prevent water damage, and then I also slightly wet my cleaning device. And I also will be using SIGMAGIC Brushampoo in foam formula. It is a natural cleanser that's perfect for fast and easy deep cleaning. You need just 1-2 pumps, and I swirl my brush in circular motion on face area. You can also add foam cleanser directly to your brush bristles. Depending on how dirty my brush is, I may wash it twice, especially if I used oil-based foundations. Then I rinse my brush under running water on a rinse area. Remember to always hold your brush pointing down and also turn off water when you're not using it. And after, I may use refined texture to deeper cleaning my brush. How beautiful this clean Sigma F80 airbrush looks! For cleaning eye brushes like these Sigma brushes number E60, E44 and E25, there is a special eye wash cleaning texture, and then I use same rinse and refine areas as I use for face brushes. This device is compact and also perfect to take with you on long trips and vacations. Another formula of SIGMAGIC Brushampoo is solid makeup brush cleanser. This 2-in-1 gadget is natural cleanser with coconut and palm oils and also silicone texture cleaning tool that helps to scrub away makeup dirt and also kills bacteria. On the back there are suction cups to secure a device in sink. And this is another great compact device to take with you on trips and vacations. So after I wet my brush, I use circular motion and swirl brush on the device. And then I rinse my brush under running water, and here is my cleaned Sigma F37 Spotlight Duster brush. And after I wash my brushes, I attach each base to core, A to A and B to B to make sure that they are perfectly aligned. Then I insert brush through elastic band with handle first, and then I secure it with Sigma Snap. And brush bristles should be tightly squeezed. Make sure that when brushes are drying, they are facing down to prevent water being trapped in ferrule. Eye brushes and any small brushes have their specific dry area on the top of inner circle. This device is compact and perfect to wash, dry and shape your brushes. Next cleaning tool that I want to show you is a Sigma brush cleaning mat, and I have been a fan of this mat for years. It has suction cups to secure a mat in a sink. It also has 7 textures: wash eyes, refine plus eyes, rinse face, refine plus face, and wash face, and also refine areas. Let's clean the Sigma 3D HD Kabuki brush. First, I use Sigma Solid Makeup Brush Cleanser, and after my brush is all in foam, I give it extra scrub using my brush cleaning mat on wash face area. And then I use rinse face area, and after I place brush under running water, I just sweep brush back and forth to remove all soap. And if a brush needs extra wash, I will just repeat wash and rinse steps. Now it looks so clean. After that, I put it in a dry and shape spa to shape and air dry my brush. For cleaning eye brushes, there are designated areas on the mat. Again, I swirl them a couple of times on solid makeup brush cleanser, and when they have enough soap on them, I clean them and then I rinse them on the rinse eye area. So satisfying to look at these clean brushes. To dry them, I put them in inner circle of my Sigma Dry and Shape Spa and I leave them to air dry. I love that this device holds up to 18 brushes and take little countertop space. And after I'm done cleaning my brushes with solid cleanser, I close the lid and let it air dry too. I also want to show you two more Sigma products that I love to use to clean my brushes, and I will be using Sigma Spa Brush Cleaning Glove. This glove has two sides, one for face and another side is for eyes, and it has wash, rinse, refine and refine plus areas with different textures on each side. And inside is also microfiber glove that make it so comfortable to use. And I also will be using SIGMAGIC Brushampoo in liquid form. It is a natural cleanser and it prevents growth of bacteria up to 2 weeks after use, which sounds so amazing. And there is no fragrance and no parabens. And just a quick little disclaimer, I didn't film this as one video. I actually was filming 3 different videos as I wanted to show you all my Sigma cleaning tools and products in this video, and that's why you see that I'm cleaning my foundation brush again. First, I wet my brush as well as glove, and then I add 2 pumps to my wet glove and I use in circular motion and I swirl my brush on a face wash area for deep cleaning. After, I place my brush under running water and I sweep brush back and forth on a rinse area. Sometimes I will wash my brush again or just use refined area to ensure that all makeup and residue is removed. Then I will rinse my brush again under running water and finally reshaping brush by squeezing my brush bristles to remove excess water. Just look at this beauty. Someone else find looking at clean brushes oddly satisfying? Well, I do. Other side is for cleaning eye brushes, and this time I'll be using foam version of SIGMAGIC Brushampoo. Same steps here: wash, rinse, refine, and finally squeeze excess water. And after I clean all of my brushes, I leave them in my Sigma Dry and Shape Spa to air dry, always facing down. And as of my final review, I absolutely love all of the Sigma cleaning tools and products as well as Sigma brushes. And I also want to mention that Sigma Matte as well as Dry and Shape Spa and also Sigma brushes come with free 2-year warranty. SIGMAGIC Brushampoo comes in 3 different formulas: foam, liquid and solid, and you can buy them separately on sigmabeauty.com or in a brush cleanser trio and save some money. And when it comes to selecting your device, it all depends what you like to use more: matte, glove, and remove top and bottom of your Dry and Shape Spa device to clean your brushes. As well as it also depends on what formula of cleanser you prefer. Some options are more travel friendly and I already mentioned this in a video. I really hope that you like this video of my makeup brushes cleaning routine using Sigma Beauty cleaning tools and products. I have been using Sigma Matte for years now, and you can see my previous videos that I created long time ago on my channel. I love Sigma brushes, I have a lot of them, and purchase also their premium professional brush kit. So if you want me to do my favorite Sigma brushes video or my favorite makeup brushes video, please let me know in the comments and I will be happy to do that for you. Thank you so much for watching, and again, thank you Sigma for sending me these amazing products. I am so grateful for them, as well as for each view, each comment, and for each subscriber on my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day and may your makeup brushes always be clean. Bye bye!